Chapter 17 Chennai. You will learn location and climate of Chennai, food, clothes and festivals, language and culture, industries, places of tourist attractions, and transport in Chennai. Let's begin. Where is Tamil Nadu, Papa? Tamil Nadu is a state in South India. There are many cities that are worth seeing in Tamil Nadu. Oh, tell me about the cities of Tamil Nadu. The famous cities of Tamil Nadu are Chennai, Ooty, Madurai, Kanyakumari, Rameshwaram, Vellore, Trichy, and many others. Teacher's note. Start the chapter with the map of Chennai. Discuss its location and climate. Explain the different aspects of the city. Chennai is the capital city of Tamil Nadu. It was formerly known as Madras. It is the fourth largest city of India. Location and climate. It is situated along the southeastern coast of India facing the Bay of Bengal. Chennai has hot and humid climate for most part of the year. The hottest months of the year are May and June. The sea breeze during the day and the land breeze during the night gives people some relief from the hot weather. The rainy months are October to December. Government. All important offices of the government of Tamil Nadu and many big business houses are located in Chennai. The Chief Minister and the other ministers of the state also live and work from here. Food and clothes. Food in Chennai includes vegetarian and non-vegetarian dishes. The most popular dishes are upma, idli, dosa, vada and sambar. Men and women wear traditional dresses. Women wear sari and blouse and men wear vesti along with a shirt and angavastra. Girls wear pavadai and blouse. However, with the change of time, people are also adopting western dresses in their daily lives. Festivals. Harvest Festival Pongal is the most popular festival celebrated in Chennai. It is celebrated for 3 days in January. Karthigai Deepam is another important festival celebrated here. However, all the other Indian festivals are also celebrated in Chennai. Language and culture. Chennai is a major center for music, art and culture in India. The city is known for its classical dance shows Bharatnatyam, a classical dance form originated in Tamil Nadu. Every December, Chennai holds a 5-week-long music season. The people in Chennai mostly speak Tamil. English is commonly spoken too. Fact frame. Chennai is called the textile hub of South India. It has a large number of cloth manufacturing industries located in the Ambattur in the northern part of the city. Industries. Chennai has several important industries such as automobiles, information technology, textiles and leather. Chennai is home to Tamil film industry known as Tollywood. The manufacturing of cycles, railway coaches and oil refineries are also some of the major industries located in Chennai. Places of tourist attraction. Chennai, located in coastal region, is blessed with some beautiful sea beaches. Marina Beach is one of the world famous beaches. It is the longest beach in India and second longest beach in the world. Some other places of tourist attraction are the Golden Beach, St. Thomas Church, Fort St. George, Snake Park, Anna Zoological Park, Fort Museum, etc. Chennai is also a city of temples. There are temples in almost every street. Some of these well-known temples are Kaplishwarar, Marundhishwarar and Parthasarathi Temple. Transport. Buses are the main and the low-priced means of transportation in Chennai. The bus service is managed by the government-owned Metropolitan Transport Corporation. The Chennai Mofussil Bus Terminus (CMBT) is the largest bus station in India. Taxis and auto rickshaws are also available in Chennai. The Chennai International Airport, located at Meenambakam, is the fourth busiest airport in India. Chennai is the headquarters of the Southern Railway. The city has 4 main railway terminals: Chennai Central, Chennai Egmore, Chennai Beach and Tambaram. Chennai Metro is a rapid transit system serving this city and was partially commenced on 29 June 2015. The city is served by two major ports, Chennai Port and Ennore Port. Recall: Chennai is the capital city of Tamil Nadu. It is situated along the southeastern coast of India facing the Bay of Bengal. Chennai has hot and humid climate for most part of the year. The most popular dishes are upma, idli, dosa, vada, rasam and sambar. Pongal is the most popular festival celebrated in Chennai. Chennai has several important industries. There are many places to visit in Chennai. A. Take the